Thanks for tuning in with Tild. Today we'll be going over Tild's white labeling feature. To start off, we're going to go over to our settings. And then just go ahead and click on white label. This feature brings your brand into the spotlight along every stage of the merchant journey with zero breakthrough interactions. We allow you to customize every aspect with ease, from creating a custom subdomain to uploading your own logo while also showing off your branding colors. We also give you the option to provide your own support details, like a phone number and email, to your merchants. You can see on this page that none of that has been updated so far. To go ahead and start uploading our own designs, just click on this pencil in the corner. So we'll start off with our domain name and then fill in our colors. You can put in any hex color codes that you'd like. For this one, we're going to be going with 2 different types of green. And then make sure when you are selecting your logo, once you have found it in your computer files, make sure to press this Upload One File button, or else it will not be remembered. And then at the bottom here, you can see that there's an option to toggle on your white label for your customer support. And this is where we'll fill in our own information for it. And then just go ahead and click Save. Once that's done, you can see all of our things that we have changed along with the logo that we have uploaded. And to see your white labeled console and emails, you can click on either of these 2 guys. We'll start off with previewing our email. And then you can see here it's pretty bare bones. It shows you the logo, what your button will look like, and what text colors that we have. And then this is what your console will look like. You can see the colors already in effect along with your logo. And we'll log in as a merchant and see what that'll look like on their console. So as you can see, you have your 2 colors coming back into play along with your logo. I've also generated a one-time payment link. If you want to learn more about how to do that, you can check out our other YouTube video walkthrough about that. But this is what it looks like to do a $20 payment link. You can do either credit card or your bank account, and then this is what it'll look like once a customer has filled it out. And there you go. You can see how it looks like from the customer's point of view. Finally, you can see this is what it'll look like when you have a merchant application. You can see that your logo's there, and again, your branded colors are there too. To recap, ISV partners will see all of these personal touches through their merchant applications, consoles, and transactional emails. If you have any other questions about using Tild or want more information about Tild, you can always visit our partner and merchant help centers, email our support team, or give us a call. Make sure to connect with us on LinkedIn and Twitter, and like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to see other walkthrough videos and the latest at Tild. Thank you.